went to my personal resort that I got for my 18th birthday.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we just finished eating a really good breakfast. We're just about to go on a tour. I don't know if I should make camera with me. You know what? It's all for the vlog. Do it all for the vlog. But yeah, so then we're going to split into different groups and we're going to do different activities. The first activity that me and Hyun will be doing is called leadership activity, and I honestly have no idea what that's supposed to be. I'm guessing it's swells kind of stuff.
What do you see? You see sunlight. And you see me. The view.
What?
That's the course.
Every year, seniors do this night course.
The goal is to get past the course, no, over the course
Without
falling in the water. But people are saying like maybe they're like stuff living in the water.
Yeah.
Like frogs. Like, yeah.
So here we're at the pool.
You should do a slow-mo shot of like.
It's 1 meter deep. That's not that.
That's really, really like, even Casey will be fine too. No, it's 1 meter deep. I was like, oh, Casey won't know. It makes you think. It makes you really think. It makes you wonder. Doesn't it?
Yeah. The things one, the thing two. So confused. Thing one, thing two, three. Yeah, thing one now.
Yeah, I'm thinking one.
Thing two. You? Oh, I give up on it.
Yay, guys, bugs!
No, he was joking. Ooh. Oh, this Thai tac. Yeah, aren't they? Is that allowed? Is that allowed? Miss Kim, aren't you hot? Or I am. I'm always hot. Wow. I have not been in such nature for such a long time. Isn't this your first time?
Hi. 今日どうすか調子
楽しいですね。暑いっす。
Feeling good?
Yeah, man.
How you feeling?
Yeah.
How you feeling today? I
Great.
Why?
I don't know.
Padre!
have to confess.
How you feeling, man?
I have to confess.
You have to confess. That's why I have to confess. You have to confess. 調子今日調子どう
暑いです。
Keisuke. How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you, Lawrence?
What?
How are you, Lawrence?